This is what I look like with no eyebrows. Hey hackers, it's GoldieBlox, and today's video is all about Mother's Day hacks because we all come from one place. It's your mom. Yay! Macaroni art, it's not gonna cut it this year. We're gonna make great stuff for your mom that she's gonna use. Oh, I have exciting news. We have a collab with MyFroggyStuff. I'm hyped. We'll get into that in a minute. Let's just hop in. And the first hack to kick off our Mom's Day hacks is soap gems. Literally soaps that are shaped like gems. It's self-explanatory. Check out those colors. They're literally so pretty. And these aren't just pretty faces. They're gonna be used in a Rube Goldberg machine. Again, MyFroggyStuff. So if you guys don't know what a Rube Goldberg machine is, it's a very complex machine that does like a very simple task. It's like a domino effect. Drop something in a bowl and that triggers like a marble to go down a little half. And then it reaches a bowling ball and it hits the bowling ball and then the bowling ball starts rolling down. See, domino effect. But then basically, like, takes maybe 5 minutes to turn on the TV. Each week brings a new DIY, which is a new part in the Rube Goldberg. If that's not enough, MyFroggyStuff is gonna make mini versions of each of these and make a mini Rube Goldberg. I know. It's gonna be so flippin' cute. But now back to the hacks. Soap gems. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need clear glycerin soap base, glitter or essential oil, or both, soap coloring, and a silicone mold. To start, cut up the glycerin. Let it harden in the mold. Build your larger soap mold and add more melted glycerin over the top. Now cut up the soap to make it look like a crystal. Crystal soap? Yes, please. And you make weird shapes, because if you mess up, there's no wrong way to make a gem, because all gems are different. It's just a punny way to say, hey mom, mother, you're a gem. And for our next hack, we have rainbow roses. Rainbow roses, RR. And I like that. You don't have to do rainbow. You can pick whatever color you want with white roses. The sky is the limit. You can do brown. I mean, I don't know why, but like, you could do it. Make her some yellow ones. Cause I'm like, mom, you're the sun. Or like, mom, I made you the green rose because you got a green thumb. Even if she kills every single plant she ever had. Like my mom. And with the blue rose, you can be like, all those nights where I cried about Vampire Diaries, you were there. So I made you a blue rose. For this DIY, you'll need white roses or carnations, vases, and food dyes. Keep the flowers out of the water for about a day. Cut slits up the bottom of the stem to make sections. Combine water and dye and pour a different color in each vase. Put one stem section in each vase. Then let it sit for about a day, at least. Roses take a little bit longer to soak up the dye, so that's why if you're in a rush, use a carnation. Assemble a beautiful, colorful, full bouquet of flowers for your birth giver. Everyone change your contact name to birth giver for your mom. She will laugh out loud. Roses are rainbow. Violets are rainbow. I love you, Mom. Happy Mother's Day. I think I'm a poet. Shakespeare is like rolling in his grave thinking, oh, Goldie, what have you done? And that is all the Mother's Day hacks I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope your moms will enjoy it. Comment down below what your favorite hack was and what your mom's favorite hack was. I think mine was definitely the soap. Again, MyFroggyStuff, collab, Rube Goldberg machine. Stay tuned. What else? Oh, thumbs. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe for more DIYs every Friday. Turn on the notification bell. And you guys already know what time it is. It's time for a Goldie Squad shout out. Guys, we got love from India. Literally, it was like love from India. And I was like, whoa, India, yeah. Guys, that is so far away. The fact that the Goldie Squad has reached that far, literally that's like insane. Some people in my hometown don't even know who I am, but someone in India knows who I am. I've made it. And that is that was a clean break. Thank you for watching. I've totally forgot where after I broke the flower, I just went blank. Life is crazy. You break flowers, you make flowers. Yeah, that's it. Bye, hackers. I am the rose now.